Hey guys, hey family, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. Just want to share with you a quick haul from Lowe's. I just made it back from Lowe's, and for those of you that are still gardening here in Georgia, my Georgia peaches, we still have another phase 2. We can grow some stuff. Okay, so our warm weather crops we can still grow here in Zone 8A. And then, you know, around the country, this is the time. You can still have time to grow maybe 60 to 90 day crops. Here in Georgia, northern Georgia, our estimated frost, we can expect to get frost about 1st of November. You know, but normally here we get it maybe a week before Thanksgiving. So you can still grow stuff. So first, they had these marigolds. They're called French marigolds. They originally were $6.98, and they were $5 each. And there's four in here. So I'm pleased about that. You can break them up. So they had them for like 2 for $10. Yeah, there's 4. So I feel good about that because I have never paid this much for transplants in my life. I'm used to paying, like, you get a tray of 6 for maybe $5 or $5.98, but not one plant. But they look good. And so I got some cucumbers. These are Burpless Blush. These were $5, $4.98, $5 per plant. They look good. So this is another one. Oh, this is a zucchini, so I got some squash. I wanted zucchini. This one. This one's a zucchini. Yeah. So I got two of everything that I purchased. 2 zucchini. Two cucumbers. They look good. They got a little wimpy with me bringing them home, but and I wanted some red peppers. I have some green bell peppers that are ready to harvest now. So here's some red sweet bell peppers. I got 2 of those. These are Bonnie plants. They look pretty fresh. They look pretty healthy. And then, what are these? These are cherry tomatoes. Husky cherry reds. 2 of those. Never spent this much on plants at all, ever in my whole life. But I get a lot. And just yesterday, let me go in the greenhouse. Oh, yesterday I planted some seeds. I planted seeds for some summer squash, some more cucumbers, some other stuff. So I'll show you that. And then they had these. I need some garden pots, nursery pots. Got 3. These are $4 each. These are like $3 each. $2.98, $3.98. And then this part of the season is really hot, so the plants are feeding. They need a lot of food, so make sure you get some plant food. I normally get the other brand. What is that? I normally get Miracle Grow, but I'm gonna try this. This was cheaper. This was $8.98, $9. The other ones are like $15 and $16. So I'm gonna try this just to have this, you know, on hand. I still have some Miracle Grow. Okay. Ooh, I was about to sneeze. Okay, so they need some water. Okay, family, I have my 2-gallon watering can, and I'm going to feed these plants. I'm going to try this Stay Green, 1 scoop per gallon. So I'm going to put 2 scoops. Two scoops in this watering can. Mix it up. Give it a good mix. And this feeds instantly. They have some fertilizer in these cups. And then to prevent, shock, transplant shock, I'll leave them in their containers for a few days, maybe even a week. So that's how I take care of my plants. If I get some transplants when I bring them home, and they're still fairly young, but they were outside. I'm gonna keep them outside because it's warm weather. Let me bring you up a little bit. It's warm weather. These are warm weather crops. Tomatoes. So I'm want to keep them on the cooler side of my house. They're going to stay outside. I think I'll put everything. Peppers. Zucchini. Fabric grow pot for right now. The next few days we're going to get rain. They'll get some rainwater. I'm going to take the rest of my water, and I'm going to give my plants here some plant food. These are growing like weeds, and they need a lot of food this time of year. Let's go in the greenhouse for a minute. I'll show you what the seeds I started. And then we're going inside. It's going to get hot today. So I have I did 6 pumpkin and 6 squash. These are summer squash, crookneck, the yellow ones. So when I went to Lowe's and I saw that they had some stuff on sale then, and they look good. When transplants look good, I get them. But but I always have some of my own seeds started. So I have some cucumbers and pepper and some Swiss chard. And I'm going to see how they germinate in this heat, and they're in the greenhouse. Okay. I got to clean this greenhouse and get ready for the fall. All right, guys, so just wanted to share that with you, that here in all I can speak for is zone 8A. That's the only thing I can, because I've been gardening in this zone for over 30 years. So we have almost 200 days that we can garden and have great crops. And so we have around to, you've seen me in March, April. I do big planting. I let it ride till June, July. July is time to start over. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate your support. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the Tastemakers and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I upload any new content. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.